Now a signal will be given and said, and question will be asked, find the even and odd part. Okay. Question is find the even and odd part or odd signal or odd component. You can write component of the following signal. The questions are often come from this subject topics. Okay, classification of signal. This odd signal, even signal, and you can say from the periodic signal. I'll discuss the next topic. So your question is find the if to give one. First one is x of t equal to j twice t. P will be x of t equal to cos omega naught t plus pi by 3. Fourth number is x of t equal to 1 plus t square plus t cube cos square tan t. X of t equal to minus 3, 1, 2, minus 4, 2. We should know as well as the discrete time signal. Okay. This fourth number equation for discrete time signal. And what will be the equation for discrete time signal? You have to just remove t with n. Okay. Fifth number is x of t equal to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, here one curve is there in between two. This curve what implies? This arrow implies that 2 is at time n equal to 0. Okay, this is for n equal to minus 1, this is for n equal to minus 2. This is for n equal to 1, this is for n equal to 2. Okay, this is for discrete time signal. Okay, you should know very well for discrete time signal also. I am not going to solve all the things that I have taught for discrete time also. You should visualize. You should have to replace the t with the n. Okay, like that. So let me solve first one. What is given? X of t equal to, sorry, one mistake I have done. You should make me correct, no? This is n. We should write n because t will replace by n. X1 will be this X1 will be this. Okay. So what is the first question? X of t, j twice t. Okay. So question asks that find the even and odd component. We know already the equation. Even component are given like x a t will be how much? X of t plus x of minus t by 2. So this signal, what will be the x of minus t? Minus t will be e to the power minus j twice t. So just put x of t will be e to the power j twice t plus e to the power minus j twice t. What is the equation of this? Do you know what is the equation? It is similar with the cos twice t. Okay, because cos twice t equal to, we can write e to the power j twice t plus e to the power minus j twice t by 2. So this is come as a cos twice t. Like that, how you can find the odd part?
Of t minus x of minus.
Minus of x of minus t. This is 2 to the power j twice t minus e to the power minus j twice t. So here at the below there should be a j term. So to make at the below twice j, I have multiplied another at the denominator, one with numerator and another denominator. Okay, e to the power j twice t minus e to the power minus twice jt, and this would be what? J sine twice t. Understood the thing? Any doubt?
Understood, sir.
Okay. Then you practice at your home. Okay. These are the homework. This rest of 4. Very easy. Just you should have to apply this formula. Okay. Xt equal to xt plus x minus t, like that. But come to the next concept, that okay, by formula we can say the odd and even part. By graphically how? Okay. Let me explain. Take the 6th number problem as a graph. Okay, find the even and odd part of the signal. Okay, what is the signal? What types of signal this is? U of t. Question has come, find the odd and even part of the signal. G. Zero, 1, 2, x of t. This is 4. Let me go with the solution. Let me give the first solution. What is given? U of t. Okay. This is 1. But what is the even part? We know even part equal to x of t plus x of minus t by 2. So first of all, you should to do what? U of minus t. U of minus t. What is this operation? U of minus t. That is folding operation. Folding means it will
Reversal.
reversal or a mirror image, you can say. This is. Now what you have to do? You have to add these two and divide by 2. Now when you add, this come as a constant, or this come as a constant, because left part will come from the below signal and the right part will come from the above signal ut. And when you divide by 2, it will come as a 0.5, or you can write as a 1 by 2. This is what you can say. This is the x e t. Then what will be the x naught t? Have you understood the thing? And we know that x naught t is nothing but x of t minus x of minus t. Okay. Here, this is I have got. Okay. That is ut I have, and u of minus t also I have. Here minus sign is there, isn't it? The minus, to find minus sign, you can write like this also. Plus minus u of minus t. So if you can able to draw u of minus t, okay, u of t plus minus u of minus t. If you can able to draw the u of, what is the plot of u of minus t? This is the plot of u of minus t. So, and by 2. So these things, this is, and what ut, this first one, this will be plus. Now when you do plus, what types of signal? This one, this part will come from the first one, and negative part will come the last from last this signal, and we have to divide by 2, means it will be half. It will be half. This is for x naught t. Have you understand? Any doubt? Sir, once again, somebody to explain once again. Okay. Okay. Let me explain with a different way. Question is given u of t. Okay. A signal is given u of t. We know how to plot u of t. U of t is nothing but unit step signal, which is amplitude 1 for positive time duration. Okay. Find question is find the even and odd part, and we should know the formula. Even part xt is given by u of t plus u of minus t by 2. So to find even part, what you should to do? You should to find u of minus t. So what will be the u of minus t? U of minus t is nothing but the folding image of the original image or mirror image of the original image. The amplitude will be remain same. What is the equation? Sum of these two signal by 2. When you sum up these two signal, what types of signal you will get? You will get a constant. Okay, and you will this negative part will come here and positive part come here. Okay, and the amplitude will be how much? It is, you have to divide by 2. Initially it is 1, but when you divide by 2, it will come as a half or 0.5. This is nothing but even signal. Then what is the odd signal? How you can find odd? X naught t equal to x of t minus u of minus t by 2. Okay. If we let me explain direct here. No need to give equation. Okay. So what happened now? This one the plus only. Okay, but here signal would be we should be do minus, means ut minus this we should to do. Okay, if we minus the left side with this signal, left side initially how much? Amplitude is 0. Here here left side what is the amplitude? 1. When you minus 0 minus 1, what will get? Minus 1. So it will come as a minus 1. But again you have to divide by 2. Then it will come as a half. Like that, when you minus this signal at for the positive time duration, here 1 is there, here 0 is there amplitude. When you minus this 1 minus 0, it will 1 will only come. So, but you have again you have to divide by 2, so it will come half. Is it clear now? So come to the let me explain once more. Okay, not whole things, with a brief idea. Okay, with the shortcut technique. This is what is given ut, is it? So if we have to make this signal as an even signal, what should we do? The right part should come in the left side. Then only this will be the even signal. That's why I can write like this. Second concept, you can say how we can plot x naught t. The initially it is given this, but I say that this part should become in the third quadrant. This is, and you have to divide by half. Like that. Okay, now you should know how to plot the signal even and odd with this concept only. Okay, with this formula you go to solve like this one by step, and you do this 7 number as a homework. Okay. Do you have any doubt? It's already 2 o'clock. You can ask. And next topic is we'll discuss about periodic signal and non-periodic signal or aperiodic signal. Okay. So today I have finished this even and odd signal. Do you have any doubt? You can ask.